Hello friends, welcome to Methi's kitchen. Today we are making Methi Sabzi with Aloo, and it's really very tasty, and Methi Bhaji is my really favorite. So as I use my recipes, I'll introduce the ingredients. At this point my pan is enough hot, so I'm adding like 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and the heat is on medium, so we can let it just warm about 30 seconds. And for the tempering, I have the 3 red chili powder, the 3 red chili whole is dry, and also few black pepper, cumin seed, and 1 bay leaves. So at this point we will add our cumin with black pepper, also bay leaves. At this point I will add aloo, because aloo needs little bit time to cook. So we will let it cook aloo probably 5 to 7 minutes, because you can see that our aloo is big shape, but we will let it completely cook like at least 50%. So we will let it cook 7 minutes with the cover lid. So friends, now you can see that our potato turned very good. So at this point I will add, I have 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic, each of them each 1 tablespoon, and also we will add all dry spices and green chilies. And you can see that we are not adding any water. We don't need water. So at this point I will add, I have 2 bunch of methi leaves. Because you can see that methi have enough water, so we don't have to add any water in that. And also I have added just a half tablespoon of salt too, because methi is always quite salty little bit, so I'm not adding much salt in it. So not much salt, not water either. And at this point we will let it cook probably another 5 minutes with the cover the lid. So friends, now you can see that our potato and methi bhaji is ready. So at this point I will turn off stove, and we will put it in our serving plate. You can see that it's really look and also very tasty. I want you to give you one good tips about to use garlic and also ginger too. So now you can see that our methi sabji is ready, and please, if you like it, share with your friends and family and follow this recipe. You will really enjoy that. And if you have any comment, question, please leave it in our comment box. I'll be back again with another simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.